Welcome back to the Andonix AI course, what every manufacturing engineer should know about ChatGPT, MidJourney, and more. In Episode 5, we're harnessing the full power of generative AI, revealing its transformative impact in manufacturing. If you've just discovered our series, we recommend starting from Episode 1 to follow the progressive learning path we've designed. You'll find the link in the video description. We've compiled extra materials throughout this season to complement your learning journey, all accessible through the links provided. Stay updated and in the loop by following us on LinkedIn and our other social channels. As we conclude this season, anticipation builds for the next, where we'll continue to explore the vast capabilities of generative AI. Now, let's consolidate our insights. Dive into Episode 5.
So, what are the functional areas that are being impacted? Sales, marketing, customer operations, product research and development, operations and supply chain. I don't want to get too deep into these, but I think it's important. So, moving forward, I want you to think in terms of your industry. If you're in food and beverage, if you are in automotive manufacturing, if in components, if you are into consumer product goods, I want you to think that way. I want you to think also, what is your functional area? Am I working in the operation? I'm working in the assembly line. Am I working in sales, product, R&D, engineering, supply chain, you name it? And then, what's your specific problem? Why? Because we are going to share with you a lot of prompts to help you in a very specific way. And this is going to be a series of content that is useful, meaningful, with the interest to nurture you, to make you excel. Instead of giving you like an hour training, 2 hours training, I want to make it relevant to you, and I want to hear from you based on what industry are you in, what type of product, what type of process, what type of function, and feel free to reach out and tell me, David, I have this problem. What can you recommend? I like to learn about these. I want to make it relevant, and then I'm going to make a lot of them for you guys to access. Some of them are pervasive, like quality, safety, supply chain, lean manufacturing. Some of those functional areas, performance engineering, some of those are pervasive, food safety and things like that. We're going to do a lot of those, but I want to make sure that this is relevant to you guys. So feel free to reach out and let me know what is important and what do you have interest in. So how do we get started? Like in here, I just want to make sure that you guys are prepared. So if you have ChatGPT Plus, beautiful, get it ready. Not right now, because this is going to be just the intro to a series of content. We just want to set up the stage so you know what this is all about and what's in it for you, why it's important. So if you had ChatGPT Plus, you're all set. If not, if you're an actual Andonix customer, you have your own account. That's running securely and confidentially on Azure, Microsoft, and we're using GPT-4. But if not, feel free to scan these. This is the manufacturing expert running on GPT-4, private, confidential, on WhatsApp. It's individual, so that's free forever. And I can tell you that you can run the exercises in here, right? Because the key here is to be able to teach you, show you how to leverage generative AI, make this meaningful, tangible for you, give you back time, boost your performance, your productivity. But if you don't have the tool, we don't want you to worry about it. We want you to have a free version where you can also get the same value, okay? If nothing else, it will save you $20 a month. So that's basically what this is all about. This is just the intro, so we can start sharing with you very specific content. We're going to post this on Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. So feel free to follow us, especially on YouTube and LinkedIn, because we will be basically sharing with you daily prompts, daily hacks where they could be relevant to you. And we want to hear from you specifically from that purpose of, hey, I'm a performance engineer, I'm a food and safety supervisor, and how can I use ChatGPT to do this, to solve this problem, to create an SPC chart, to do an R&R analysis or Redex, anything. Throw it at us and we will come up with a small capsule. We're trying to do not more than 5 minutes, where you can see in action how to structure your question and how to start using ChatGPT. We're going to teach you some of the hacks on how to structure the question, a few formats, a few key elements. So it's a framework that you can always repeat. That will be a separate video. So you guys can, I don't want to hold you up for an hour. I want to make sure this is valuable to you and this is insightful. So once again, thank you. This is the end of this chapter. Next one, we'll start sharing some of the frameworks and we'll do a prompt so you see how it works. And then we're going to continue to do one daily so you can get exactly what you think is valuable for you. So thank you very much. And I will be back with you guys very soon. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us and stay tuned for the next course. Your journey of learning never stops. Andonix, anyone can.